Welcome back to the next video. I kind of got started, because I was really trying to figure out what all I need to do. And, once you jump into it, man, you just get to going and you get what you're supposed to be doing. So, which was turning on the video. So, let me just explain to y'all what I need to do. So, I need to break loose the motor mounts. I even had to break loose the transmission, drive shaft, my transmission cooler that I got in the back, because all this stuff had to come forward. I even had to take loose my shifter so we can slide it forward. Now we done slid it forward. I gotta let it down a little bit and lift off those heads, because I already taken the bolts out. And I'm just gonna say this. This here was the first motor that I put together, and I'm glad I'm taking it apart, because there were some bolts that was not in there. Like, I only had 3 top bolts for each side. I'm surprised it wasn't leaking fluid. Coolant. As I was taking the drive shaft apart in the back, I found out that I have a leak in the rear end at the pumpkin, so I got to do that. So I'm learning some stuff while I'm taking it apart. The reason why it's these bolts right here, this one and this one, the same as in the back. The reason why I didn't put them back in there was because I thought they didn't belong in there, because the steam port wouldn't let no bolts go in there. But I know now that I have to put these in before the steam port is connected. You live and you learn. So I'm about to learn a big lesson here shortly, because I'm about to let this down, and I want to make sure that I don't put this. Well, I can put it on the steering column. If I need to do, not steering column, but the steering rack. If I gotta get another one, then I get another one, because I do kind of want a new one anyway. But let's let this down a little bit, then lift these stinking things off. I still can't even get this bolt out. I got the bolt out over here on the other side, the rear one, but I think I'm gonna yank this thing a little bit more. I need to get up under there and take a look right quick and see what's going on. Yeah, so I gave it a good yank, so I need to, the first time, and I see I still got some, just a little bit of yanking I can do before it just falls off. So let's do it. Oh boy. Okay, I'll jack it up. Let me let it down. Alright guys, so we got everything cleaned up, so we're gonna pop these trays out, which is ARA 10, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 10. So, right there. Guys, so we got the lifters out. So I think I'm gonna wipe these down here, and I'm gonna put some oil in each one of those lifter holes, and we're gonna put these things in there and we're gonna let it rip, tater chip. But I might have enough oil in here already. So we finally got them back in there. We had a little issue with them, but it wasn't really nothing. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to put this oil down in here. Now it's back to being chunky. These gaskets right here are the same as the ones already that was on there, so we're just going to use these new ones. Make sure we don't front is right there, so let's lose this. Done with that, I'm ready to put these headers on in the intake. I'll bring y'all back. Now let's get the exhaust done. Well, BSG fam, we ran into another problem. The front driver's side header bolt stripped out the threads. So I will have to put in a helicoil or rethread the header bolt. So I'm just gonna bring it into this video. So like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos on this road to 1,000 subs. Peace.